Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to mute or unmute group notification on WhatsApp. So we are in group chat. So this is our WhatsApp group. So you can click on name section E or you can click on three dot on right side. So we are going to click on three dots and then you see unmute notification. I already unmute this group chat notification. So click on unmute. Again click on three dots. Now you see mute notification. So click on it and then you see mute notification. Other members will not see that you muted this chat. You will still be notified if you are mentioned 8 hours, 1 week, always. So you can select option according to requirement. We select always for this group chat and then click on OK. So in this way you can mute or unmute group on WhatsApp. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.